Before we all get too excited, is this even real? Just checking out the images and some of the videos that are popping up online. They do look a little bit like they're computer renders or something like that. I did find on some of the Japanese websites that they're coming in red as well as blue. I had to take a double look. I thought that looks like that could be Milwaukee. What do you think? Is this a real thing? Is this coming? Is this coming to the UK? This is an unusual video for us to make. We've got nothing really to get our hands on and discuss in great detail. I think it's the same images and pictures and news that you've probably be able to check out on the internet yourselves. But what I wanted to do was start a conversation about where this 40 volt lithium ion range had come from, this XGT, this next generation technology Makita platform had come from, and really what's going to happen to some of the others, what's going to happen to the CXT range and the LXT range. Let's just start off by having a quick look at what looks like is coming. In this picture here we can see that there's a circular saw, a grinder, 2 combi drills, an impact driver, a recip saw, an SDS drill, and a sliding miter saw, as well as 2 battery packs. There's a 4 amp hour and a 2.5 amp hour battery, and obviously a new charger. But the interesting thing that I'm starting to wonder here is, well, what's the future for the CXT range? I'm going to throw a picture up here which is of the current impact driver, 12 volt impact driver, and the new LXT subcompact impact driver. And when you put them next to each other, the sizes are quite similar, and of course the 18 volt battery packs are getting smaller and more powerful, and you start to think, well, hang on a minute, is the CXT range, the 12 volt range, really that relevant anymore if you can make the 18 volt range that little bit smaller? So I wonder whether you're seeing where I'm getting at here. Is everything moving up a scale, and will the 12 volt range disappear in the same way that we've seen maybe the 9.6 NiCad range back in the day disappear in favour for 12 volts? Anyway, this was just really a short video to start a conversation around where Makita's new range is going. Makita, if you're watching, we'd really love to review just any of these items that are coming. So what do you think? Do you think the 12 volt range is going to disappear? Is the 18 volt range going to take its position? Is the 40 volt range the new 18 volt? Really interested in your comments. Thanks again for watching Budget with Brian, and of course please subscribe if you like this type of video. Thumbs up if you like this sort of thing. We'll take a thumbs down if you really don't. But again, thanks for watching Budget with Brian.